Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today we are tackling a frustrating problem, CommBank login errors. I will walk you through easy steps to fix this quickly so you can access your account without the headache. First step is to restart the app or browser. Close and fully quit the app, then reopen it. Or refresh the browser using F5 key if using NetBank. A lot of times this simple step resolves the issue. Second is to check your internet and VPN. Ensure you are on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If needed, reboot your router. Turn off any VPNs, they can interfere with banking sessions. Third is to update the app or browser. For that, go to the Play Store and in the search bar, type CommBank. Locate the official app and update CommBank if available, or update your desktop browser to the latest version. Fourth step is to clear cache and app data. For that, go to Settings. Scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Tap on the search icon at the top right and search CommBank. Scroll down, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache and Data. Also check app permissions. On your device, ensure necessary permissions like internet access are enabled for the app. A quick reboot can clear glitches or stuck processes as well. Also, verify CommBank server status. Use their in-app alerts, the CommBank status page, or third-party outage trackers like Down Detector. If they are undergoing maintenance or outages, you will need to wait it out. You can also try uninstalling the app completely, then download and reinstall from the official store. This often solves deeper issues. If you are still locked out, contact support. Call 132221 or use social media for updates. CommBank often posts real-time alerts. And that's your full checklist to fix CommBank login issues. Easy steps you can tackle in minutes. If it worked, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking hacks, and comment below if you faced any error codes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.